Now, by the time you offer this service at premium to only 4 clients, these 4 clients are going to generate for you $3,988 per month. Yes, but that is not even all. You still be able to get 5 clients that will be able to pay you $985 each, and you can do this stuff. Now, let's get into the video. Let me show you what exactly you are going to do for you to be able to make this amount of money per month. Let's get into this video. So that is how you'll be able to be cashing out almost $4,000 every single month with one person digital business. This is a dream come true for everyone who wants to start digital product business right now in this year. Now, the first thing you need to do is this. Running a profitable digital product business is something that everybody wants to see come to pass in his or her life, as long as you are seeking for ways to make money online. But there are a lot of mistakes that a lot of people do that is making them not to be able to hit this particular feat. Now, I'm going to show you what you need to start doing, right? It's not about you just going to create product. There are things that you need to start doing that will be able to help you earn this amount of money. And a lot of people have done it, right? And I myself am a product of what I'm about to show you right now. So in order for you to start cashing out up to $4,000 per month, creating your own digital product, one of the things you must identify here is identify your niche. You see, so many people make mistakes when it comes to doing this, because you can't go on internet trying to sell to anybody. You must know who you want to sell to. Yes, you have to choose the category of people whom the product you are bringing, the value you are about to create, is what will solve problem in their own life. You see, the internet is all about you providing value for others and they exchanging what they have in terms of money and resources for the solution that you have to offer. Now, and you can't provide a solution to somebody that you don't know, that you don't understand his or her problems. And that is why understanding your niche, what area, what domain are you going to be solving problem in, right? You have to choose, you have to make sure you are clear about who you are serving and how you are going to be serving them. Because that is the major issue a lot of people have. Now you have to choose. This can be anything at all, right? It can be that you are helping people with their graphic design, right? That can be your digital products. It can be that you are coaching people, showing them how to get over certain kind of issues in their life, and you are the person that they need. It can be you selling digital product like ebooks, but you have to define what niche you want to go into. And once you have that domain, that niche, then you move to the next step. Now the next step is you've got to be findable, right? You need to have an online presence. You need to be somewhere that people can see what you have to offer. Now, if you want to really do stuff online, there are a lot of scams online, but let me tell you, if you are not showing your face, you are not having content on the internet, you are literally just adding up to the lack of trust that so many people are having when it comes to dealing with other people online. That is why you need to have your presence. You need to make sure that people can find you on Instagram or on YouTube or on TikTok. You have to be findable somewhere. The moment you are findable somewhere, now people can trust and feel good around what you have to offer so that they cannot patronize you. And that is how most people are making money online, by making sure that they have a strong online presence that is going to literally help them position themselves in the marketplace so that they can sell their services, provide the value that they have to the people who need these services. If you can do that, then you are good to go to step number 3. Now, step number 3 is you must be able to offer high value services. Don't be like other people who just go on the internet because they say you can make money online. You just put out everything and anything out there saying that you are an expert or you know how to do certain things. But at the end of the day, you don't know how to do jack. So you must make sure that whatever thing that you have to offer online must be something of high value. See, the name of the game is providing high value. You cannot provide high value to people and they not finding you, coming back to you over and over, looking for that service again and again. Because if you can help them get results, providing value, something that is high valuable to them, let me tell you the truth, they won't stop coming back to you. In fact, they can't do without the services that you have to offer. So providing high quality service online is something that you cannot even do without at all. Let's say you're an SEO consultant or you're a social media manager or you have a digital product. It does not matter. High quality service is the requirement of making money online. And once you have high quality products, then you just simply move to step number 4. Now, even though you are well positioned online, you have high quality products, you are in a particular niche, your product will not sell itself. You must make sure that you have a way of advertising your products. So you need to implement certain solid marketing strategies that will help you convey your message to the people who need your service. You see, people are searching on the internet every day about different things that they need help with. But we also have a lot of people supplying the same thing. Now, you must be able to position yourself. And how you position yourself is by having a very good messaging, a very good high value proposition that tells people that, you see, if you work with me, I'm going to give you this value, that value, and it's going to solve your problem. That is what people want to know. Everybody's looking for solutions to their problem. Nobody goes to the internet just looking for who to engage with, who to be friend with, without having certain form of value. So you must be able to communicate that value that you have to offer to everyone out there in the internet. That is why implementing a solid marketing strategy is a no-brainer. It's something you must do. Now, you can do this via your YouTube channel, via having a podcast that will reach a wide range of people, or you can even involve pay-per-clicks, right? Facebook ads, Google ads, and other paid advertisement strategies that you will use to convey your message, get clients, convert them, and serve them your value. And that is what you must do in step number 4. Now, when you start getting leads coming in, you start having people now reaching out to you because you are positioning yourself in a way that your messages and what you are telling people resonates with them, and they want to have a taste of your service. They want to patronize you. They want you to solve their problem. At that point, what you need to start doing is to start leveraging on email marketing. You start to build your email list, because right now, if you want to have clients keep coming back to you, you need to have a way of getting them back. You don't want to keep looking for new clients every day before you can make money. You want to make sure that one client can pay you over and over and over again. And how you do that is by having a strong email marketing strategy. By having an email marketing plan, it will help you to get their contacts, put them on autopilot, like automate these emails, and you keep sending them messages, nurturing them, and eventually get them to buy from you, not once, not twice, but over and over again. And that is why step number 5 is having and leveraging on email marketing strategies for your business. Now, step number 6 is very important. So many people leave money on the table. Once they start getting some sales coming in, what they do now, or they start having some clients patronizing them, they begin to leave money on the table. Why? Why did I say so? Because you are not upselling or cross-selling them, right? If you are not upselling and cross-selling your customers, your current customer right now, you are leaving so much money on the table. And guess what? Somebody else is going to sell them the other things that they need. So you need to be able to be cross-selling and upselling them different packages that add more value to what they already have from you. Now, if you are buying a car, definitely you will need to buy spare tires. You need to have some other things attached to it, right? You need to make sure that you have other accessories. If you are buying a phone, you get some other accessories that comes with this phone, right? And that is how you'll be able to start upselling and cross-selling your client, offering them other services that they need, something else that they can purchase that will add value to what they've already gotten from you. And that is why step number 6 is upsell and cross-selling strategy. Step number 7 in you making up to $4,000 per month is for you to now begin to automate and streamline your processes. Now you have products out there, you are providing certain kind of service, people are coming, you need to be able to automate the process so that you can get new clients and be able to handle them without being overwhelmed, right? So automation, delegation, and systemizing your process will be a game changer for you, and this will literally double your revenue. Trust me, right? By the time you begin to use email to perform some repetitive tasks, you're going to reduce your workload. At the same time, you can have other people handle certain tasks on your behalf without you doing it. Even though this is a one-man business, you can outsource people without employing them full-time, like a VAs and all that, so that you can now focus on high-impact activities, things that can give you more advantage and provide more value to your client. Then finally, once you have step 7 down, the last step is step number 8. You set clear financial goals. How much do you want to make? In this case, you want to make $4,000, good. You want to make $10,000, $20,000, See, the moment you begin to set clear goals that you want to achieve in your business, you will notice that your subconscious mind, your ability to be creative get to double. This is fact, right? The moment you set bigger goals, especially financial goals, you begin to see that you're not trying to hit little things anymore. You will notice that you start to perform on a different level. You're a new beast entirely. Now, and it's very important, but see something here. If you set this amount as your goal, let me say $4,000 per month as your goal, it's something that you have to start working towards every week, every day, to make sure that within a month, within 2 months, 3 months, you start hitting that particular goal. And from there, it will continue to increase. Now, let me give you a little analysis here on how this is possible. Let's say, for instance, you have a product and what you are into is freelancing, right? You are into freelancing services. You are helping people with certain offers. Let's say graphic design, web development is a very good one, right? And you offer premium packages at $997 for one person website. And you have 4 clients alone will give you this amount of money. Like 4 clients, come on, if you have skills of developing a website, 4 clients is not too much. Like 4 clients is not difficult to get. I'm telling you, if you put the word out there and show them testimonies of what you can do, 4 clients is not something that is going to be too difficult for you to get. It sounds like something difficult for if you've not tried it, but if you tried it once, you will notice that getting 4 people to pay you $1,000 for creating website for them, for their business, that is going to help them double their sales, come on, they will pay you that amount of money. Now, you see, 4 clients will give you this amount of money already, and they can be paying you month after month. Now, another option is selling digital products. You can create a course around this same thing, right, and sell it for $197, right? By the time you sell 5 of these, you already have $1,000 approximately, right? And you can also decide to have a coaching session. On this coaching session, where you have certain people that will come on it, and you have, let's say, 1 or 2 times in a week, and they are paying you $1,000 for your coaching session. That already, you have 4 people on it, you've gotten that amount of money. So now, why I'm doing this is, by the time you begin to do this whole stuff, it begins to help you to crack your brain, it begins to adjust your mind and position you so that you can start working towards these goals, right? This is what I call further math. You must learn to do your further math, your calculation. How many people do I need to make this amount of money? What is the work that I need to put in? What is the product I need to sell? What coaching? What service? You must do this mathematics. If you can do this stuff, you are already on your way to start hitting your target. And in this case, $4,000 is not something difficult that you can start doing right now, as long as you have any of these particular skills and you know your niche and you go into it, put on a good marketing strategy, email, cross-sale, upsell. I'm telling you, this is freaking possible. It has happened before. I've done it myself and I've watched other people do it. So this is possible, believe me, but you need to give it a try for your own self. Alright guys, if this video is something you like to watch, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and go and watch the next video on how to start your own business from home. See you in the next video.